Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to roll in a way that just feels, well, it just feels amazing. And all you do is kind of lay like a star. So your arms are kind of up top, legs are down by the bottom, and we're gonna take a big reach over. So you're gonna pull your knee up towards your chest and then start rolling it over across your body. And then from here, you're gonna take your toes and start reaching really far out from your body with your toes. But you're gonna relax as you reach and just let that reach of the leg start to pull you over. And then once you get over from here, we're gonna reverse it from the upper body. And you're gonna take your head and look over your right shoulder, take your elbow and reach away from your body and be patient and just reach and let that reach pull your leg back over and just relax and let your body roll back around. And if you can find that balance of just letting go and letting your body just pull itself over, you're gonna understand what I talk about when I say this feels amazing. All right, so again, you take a really big step across your body, and then you're gonna reach really far away from you with your toes. You're gonna reach with your toes, reach with your toes, and then just relax enough to let that pull you over. And from here, you reach really far with your elbow, and you look at it and just relax and let that reach just kind of melt your body over. So if you want to see what that looks like from the side, so again, we lay like a star, and we're gonna take a really big step over and across our body and take our toes, and we're reaching like something's really far away from us and we're just trying to touch it. And you let that reach pull you over, and what you'll feel is just an amazing stretching sensation here where your fascia is just, you almost feel like a rubber band getting tight or taut, and then it's just pulling you, and you just kind of just get pulled over, and then pull over, and then you're gonna go back the other way. Look at your elbow, and there's a big reach back with your head and your elbow, but you're relaxed. In that relaxation, you're gonna feel that tension again, and it just pulls you on over and you relax. So you get all loosey-goosey. So again, big step over, big reach away from your body, just kind of melt over, and then, whoops, and then you're gonna go back with the upper body, not the lower body. Big giant reach, big giant reach, big giant reach, and then just let it melt you over, all right? Give that a shot. It feels amazing, and yes, we've rolled before, but if you change your focus of the roll and you just try to learn how to relax your way through it, you're gonna find a whole new roll, all right? Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.